Hey cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you along for a day in my life. I'm going to start off by making some breakfast and then I'll head to work at the hospital, so let's get right into the video. Alright, I'm gonna change into my work fit. Ta-da! I've got everything packed into this bad boy, and I'd better be going or else I'll be late for work. Good morning, girlies.
Morning, Claire.
Hey, gorgeous.
Hey there, I'm going to give you a quick checkup and make sure you're doing okay.
Okay.
It might feel a little cold. Checking your temperature. Alright, can you open your eyes nice and wide for me? Oh boy!
Wait a sec. Your eyes are
So pretty.
Oh, thank you. Your eyes are definitely very, big.
Miss, can I have your number?
I think I'm a little too old for you. I love these watermelon sticks as a snack. Like, I eat these every single day. It's finally my favorite time of the day, the lunch break. I'm eating with my girl Tasha.
Hey, queens. I'm so hungry.
Alright, let's take a bite. Homemade food is always the best.
This is my homemade veggie burger. No, guys, I actually stole this from my roommate.
I've got patients waiting for me, so let's head back to work. I need you to stay as still as possible while we take an X-ray image of your neck. In 3, 2, 1.
Cheese!
Please don't move your face, it's not a selfie.
Ooh, right. I forgot. Wait, but can you see what I ate for breakfast?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Someone, please kick this dude out of this hospital.
Do you have any metal on you? If so, please remove them.
Oh, honey, I don't wear any metal.
Alright, make sure you really don't have any metal on you.
Nope, I don't have any on me.
Okay, I'm going to move you into the machine now in 3.
Wait a second. Silly me, I forgot to remove my earrings. There we go.
Starting in 3, 2.
Whoops, how could I forget about my
metal glasses.
Much better. Go on now, kid.
I've asked twice already, just confirming again. No metal, right?
Oh, no, my
Necklace.
Please remove that as well. Alright, starting in 3, 2, 1.
Wait, I forgot my...
Girl, I don't give a no more.
Ah, stop this young woman.
Finally finished with work. Yay! Today was such an exhausting day. But don't worry, I didn't lose my job because of that annoying grandma. But I'm sadly gonna end this video right here, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, cupcakes!